Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 1. What does it mean for a business to be sustainable? This video explores sustainable development and its impact on business strategy. Discover how sustainability shapes business practices globally. The aim of this unit is to raise awareness about sustainable development. It highlights how these issues impact strategic business development. Learners will understand sustainability's effects on organizations. The unit emphasizes the importance of sustainability in modern business practices. It prepares learners to integrate sustainability into strategic planning. Sustainability originated with the Brundtland Report in 1987. It defines development that meets current needs without harming future generations. The three principles of sustainability are scarcity, efficiency, and sovereignty. Wind energy is a prime example of sustainable development. It showcases how renewable resources can power homes and businesses. Sustainability improves environmental health and quality of life. It ensures clean air, natural resources, and a non-toxic environment. As economies grow, sustainability helps efficiently use resources. It's crucial for healthcare, as environmental quality affects public health. Sustainability supports community well-being and resource efficiency. The Brundtland Report laid the foundation for sustainable development. It emphasized environmental conservation and poverty reduction. Agenda 21 further developed these principles globally. Nations cooperated to address environmental issues and business sustainability. These efforts highlight the importance of a unified global approach. Corporate social responsibility addresses environmental concerns. It involves stakeholders in sustainable development efforts. Effective CSR requires oversight, training, and accountability. Identifying global and local environmental issues is crucial. Companies can reduce costs by sourcing locally and preserving the environment. Sustainable development is built on social, economic, and ecological pillars. An integrated approach addresses all three effectively. Balancing these dimensions ensures comprehensive sustainability. Giddings et al. Highlight the need for a holistic strategy. Focusing on individual objectives can hinder overall sustainability. The triple bottom line includes profit, people, and the planet. It guides firms in assessing environmental responsibility. Companies can integrate sustainability into all operations. This approach benefits society and the environment while remaining profitable. It encourages businesses to consider their broader impact. The macro environment includes demographics, politics, and technology. Companies must adapt to these external forces. Understanding these factors helps minimize negative impacts. Strategies should consider both closer and wider environmental factors. Companies can't control the macro environment, but can prepare for its effects. Political factors influence business through legislation. Economic factors like GDP and inflation impact operations. Social and cultural factors require understanding societal values. Technology drives innovation and product development. Environmental and legal factors ensure compliance and responsibility. Sociocultural factors are challenging to analyze. They involve changes in values, priorities, and beliefs. Businesses must monitor cultural values to meet customer needs. Demographic studies help identify trends and make informed decisions. Companies like Braskem partner with communities for social projects. Technology is a key macro environment factor. Companies invest in research and development for innovation. Braskem created a renewable polyethylene from sugarcane. This innovation supports the bioeconomy and reduces oil dependency. Brazil leads in bioeconomy investments for sustainable growth. Multinational companies focus on social responsibility. They contribute to community and environmental development. Strict environmental laws govern industries like petrochemicals. Compliance ensures human health and safe waste disposal. These efforts align with broader sustainability goals. Companies must comply with laws to avoid business impacts. Laws protect customers, employees, and suppliers. They influence market structure and business behavior. The microenvironment includes controllable internal resources. Companies use this knowledge to satisfy customer needs effectively. Customers are vital to the microenvironment. Companies must monitor trends and build relationships. Anticipating customer needs is crucial for product development. Businesses should think beyond simple models for customer satisfaction. Effective customer focus drives business success. Suppliers provide raw materials and services for value-added products. They are crucial elements in the microenvironment. Effective supplier relationships ensure product quality and availability. Companies must collaborate with suppliers for sustainable sourcing. This partnership supports broader sustainability goals. Intermediaries connect companies with customers. They help businesses reach wider markets efficiently. Effective intermediary strategies enhance market presence. Braskem uses intermediaries to distribute products in Brazil. This approach supports business growth and customer accessibility. Companies must monitor competitors to stay competitive. Direct competitors offer similar products, while indirect ones are less obvious. Understanding competitors' strategies helps businesses adapt. Companies should anticipate competitors' moves to maintain an edge. This vigilance supports strategic planning and innovation. Unilever integrates sustainability into its overall strategy. It explores new ideas to achieve sustainability goals. Brands like Knorr and Dove focus on sustainable practices. Unilever addresses sustainability through ingredients and packaging. This approach aligns with the Unilever Sustainable Living Plan. Sustainability benefits Unilever's stakeholders. The company engages employees through awareness programs. Purpose-driven leadership fosters sustainable growth. New brand managers undergo sustainable marketing challenges. Unilever collaborates with suppliers for sustainable sourcing. Unilever recognizes natural resource limits for manufacturing. Sustainability is central to its growth strategy. The company aims to reduce its environmental footprint by 2030. It strives to improve livelihoods across nations. Unilever's efforts highlight the importance of sustainable living. The global sustainability agenda focuses on meeting present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It is strongly guided by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which address issues such as climate change, poverty, inequality, and responsible consumption. Governments, businesses, and communities are encouraged to adopt environmentally responsible, socially inclusive, and economically viable practices. The agenda promotes reducing carbon emissions, protecting natural resources, and ensuring ethical supply chains. Understanding the global sustainability agenda helps organizations align their strategies with international standards and contribute to long-term sustainable development. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-843-61688.